Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an registered sign symbol on your Google Sheet web on the computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a registered sign symbol on your Google Sheet web. So there is no insert symbol option present here. So you just need to use your keyboard shortcut to insert the registered symbol as an alternative. And here I just going to go for the first choice was you just need to press alt key with the 0174. Okay, the second shortcut was Windows key. You just want to press Windows key with the dot symbol. So for press the alt key and type 0174 on your keyboard, just leave the key to automatically create the registered sign symbol. So press the alt key, type 0174, press the alt key, type 0174. This is how we just insert the registered sign symbol on your Google Sheet on the web on your computer. The second, you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol. It opens this dialog box. You just need to change to the symbol option first, and if it is, there will be a category of options on the bottom section. You just need to change to the first option called gender punctuation, and here you can find the registered sign symbol, and this is how you just insert the registered sign symbol. These are the two ways that you can insert the registered sign symbol on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.